Welcome back to the Eat Fam. Welcome back, guys. Thanks for joining us. We are going to be cooking today, and we are in Greece, so we'll be working with ingredients that we're not really used to because we couldn't find much things in the supermarket. So we're gonna see how it's gonna come out. It should be okay still because I got the basic stuff to work with and make magic basically. So I'm just gonna start off by taking out my chicken from the fridge, and then I'm going to gonna be doing 2 chickens so it can last us for 2 days. So I'm gonna cut up these chicken and season them up, and we have some pork chops as well. So we're gonna season these up, guys. And outside we have a grill, so we're going to jerk the chicken basically and the pork chops. So let me just cut up these meat and leave them to marinate for a while, and then I'll be making some sides to go with that, guys. Alright. Alright, so I'm gonna cut up the chicken in these big pots, and we're going to use one of these pots to cook some rice as well. And if any big knife is here. Yeah, found a big knife. Yeah, feels like it's sharp as well. Alright, so okay. Put these in now.
Hi guys, how you all doing today? We're doing some barbecue chicken, some jerk chicken, Jamaican jerk chicken, or as you guys might call it, grill chicken. So I'm just gonna prepare the grill now while Lisa is inside cutting up the chicken and putting some seasoning on it and stuff like that. So we went to the supermarket, they call it. We got a lighter, fire starters, some charcoal. So just have to set up this as quick as possible so we can have a little pool party. Alright, so I'm gonna go inside and grab a knife and burst. Alright guys, so we're gonna toss a bag of charcoal. Get these off. Yeah. Chewing some pork. That's it, guys. Yeah, I'm back with grill them. Just want this one. Right, so our fire start up, as you can see. Yeah, the fire going on good, so we're just waiting on that to the right way. And then can do a thing. Meanwhile, Lisa is inside doing some chicken. Yeah, babe, so you're getting out your chicken.
Well, I'm almost finished cutting the chicken. Finished cutting up that one.
Yeah.
I'm cutting them in quarters to put on the grill.
Okay, the fire coming on nice as well.
Yeah, so now. Just putting in some, scrubbing it up so and then season it up to season. Soaking and marinate.
So that way everybody here not pork as well.
Yeah, we're gonna
Some
do
jerk
some
pork as well.
jerk pork as well, those pork chops.
Spot some sausage somewhere over here as well. Oh,
Do some
yeah.
jerk sausages as well.
Alright guys, pop in for a pool party, so we're getting everything ready and set to have a lovely evening guys. So we will check in with you lot in a couple of minutes. Alright guys, see you later.
Yeah, ready to put the chicken on now? Yeah. Alright, so we were here making some coleslaw guys, so we're gonna put the chicken to the grill outside now. So we're gonna take it with us. Alright, so we're gonna put these on the grill now guys. I hope it comes out delicious. Way. Ready?
Is that rain?
Yeah, I feel some drops of rain there. Huh? Okay, let me just this right here. So if we can get on as much as possible. Okay, let's put this one right there. And this one right there as well. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I got some pork chops. I season them up and boiling them before I put them on the grill, so it's nice and tender. And I'm making some coleslaw as well. Look what Teddy did. She pretending she peeing, having a wee. Yeah, so while we are cooking, our children is playing in the pool.
Sally, careful, okay?
You're having a wee. Fall over. Yeah.
Hey guys.
Enjoying yourself? Enjoying yourself, Tavon?
Practicing to go underwater.
Are you enjoying yourself in the pool?
Sally, be careful at the edge, okay?
Careful you fall in the pool, Tally.
Alright, Sally.
Guys, I'm the only one in the pool. I stayed in the pool for the whole day.
Right. Okay, so I'm going back in the kitchen now to check in on my stuff. All right.
Pork.
Yeah, that's the pork. So I think it's nice and tender now. Yeah, so I'm just going to switch this off. Yeah. Okay. And then we're gonna put it in. I'm gonna just leave it so that the seasoning can soak in the chops, guys. And over here I'm making some coleslaw.
Wow.
So I'm gonna do the carrots now and then I make the sauce, put in chicken and chicken. Okay.
It smells good. Yeah, they're starting to smell real nice. You smell the juices coming out of them now.
Checking in back now.
Check, guys. So, gonna check the chicken now and see if they can get turned. Yeah, the first turn. Check. Yeah, I think that can get a turn now. First turn of the day. See what this big boy here look like here. Yeah, catching the colors nicely, baby. I don't want to get burned. Yeah, so the steam getting to go through now. Hopefully. I think some of these finishing up, baby.
The burgers.
Yeah, I think the burgers are finished and they feel crisp as well. They're well done.
Let me get something to put them on.
Yeah, what we just want to do is put them on the top.
Okay, that's fine. It's sweet spot. So while we're cooking, Terry sleeping out the whole
Yeah.
time. Just waiting for the food to finish. We can't wait.
I smell it already. Can you smell it?
Did you send wait to up?
What's wrong, Tally? Alright,
Okay guys, so at this point we are putting on the pork chops on the grill, guys, so we get that nice smoky flavor. So this should be really delicious when it's finished. So continue watching and enjoy us cooking.
Shout out to the Sweet Farm.
Subscribe to the Sweet family, you know what I mean?
check, guys. Check in. Chicken coming on nicely. Put on a couple of beef burgers, some hot dogs under there. Let me show you that. The jerk pork. Let's get this thing up. So we have a pork under here coming on as well. Nice. Getting some nice flavor under there, guys. Corn coming on. And you can look at the chicken. Nice and juicy. You can see the juice dripping from it. So everything is coming on lovely, guys. Lovely. Check. Uh, you see the grill lines them in it. Check, guys. We're checking in on our pork now. Yes, it's getting the nice color that we want it to get. That nice, rich brown color. I'm gonna give that a bit of the beer as well. Yes, guys, you see how the rim of it nice and brown. That's the color we want it to have. Nice piece of pork. We're going to dress them with some sweet baby ray sauce after, guys. So you'll have a nice, dark, rich, brown, healthy color. Yeah, man. Now the smell here is like a cologne. See if these burgers getting on, yeah. Coming on nice as well. I'm gonna cook on this side for a little bit. This one is perfect. Yes, guys, so I'm gonna give them a bit of the beer as well. Yeah, so let's make it soak down on it. Yeah. And the burger, these burgers are for the adults. Perfect, guys. So we'll check back with you guys in a minute. Check, check.
Shout out to the sweet fam.
Subscribe to the sweet family, you know what I mean?
Oh, the space for the can. Yeah, guys, so we're taking up our burgers. Very delicious, guys. Totally fantastic. Roll over a can. Yeah, they get it nice and crisp. The couple of sausage. I think they're finished as well. Nice and soft, guys. Totally, this pan is getting hot in my hands now. Ah, this good hot food on it. Yes, guys. There we have our burgers. Chicken coming on nicely. That's it, guys. Blaze up the fire some more now. Check, check, guys. So we have our sauce made by Lisa, ready to dress up our pork. Just gonna paint on some of it like there. Smelling so good and feeling so crispy and soft, guys. Guys, this smell is amazing. Look at piece. Yes, family. So our jerk chicken almost done. Just put on our nice barbecue dressing made by Lisa on this jerk pork. So we're coming, guys. We're coming in. So we'll check back for update in about 15-20 minutes. Alright, check in, guys. I'm grating some Greek mature cheddar cheese to make some sweet farm macaroni and cheese pie. But it's with a twist with the Greek cheese, guys. Yeah, so I'll show you when it's finished as well.
And in the meantime, this rice.
Coming down nice. Yes, guys, so we mix up our macaroni and cheese. Scraping him out the pot now. Put him in the oven for about 45 minutes. Yes, so sprinkling some cheese over the top now to get the crust. Yeah, earlier on, Lisa throw away some something around. Earlier on, Lisa no, I tell him my business again. They couldn't just hold the one. They're more familiar with it. Like you're not ashamed. So just putting on the final bits now, guys.
Yeah, my rice is there steaming down.
So last piece of cheese over the top. Just get a little crispy. This feel like it's gonna chop off my hand. I think that's it, you know. I'm gonna put her in the oven. It's nice and hot already. Yeah. I clean up your mess now, babes.
So guys, the chicken in outside to put the dressing on the jerk.
You want to go and do that, huh? Let me just get some water in your pot for you. Guys, unfortunately, night catch us. So we have to move to the light gently. Yeah, so coming under the light where we can see the color of the chicken, the color of the chicken. Oh,
Wow.
yes, family. There we go. Chicken looking good. And put some sauce on them now. And turn them over. Maybe we can start putting on some of the burger bun. Where's the corn? Where the corn drop off?
Wish I could
Who's
have
it?
pictures again. You made it so cute.
We can get the corn over the side. There were more heat, you know. But they should be cooked still, you know. They're just not show oh, the side of the black. That's what we want there, eh? The black color. Alright, so we're gonna dress these now, baby.
Yeah.
Alright. Let's space them out. Put some dressing on them. We're gonna put some clothes on these chicken. Alright. Ready, bit? Okay. Move a little bit faster, guys. That's why night catches. Yeah, so we just want to apply this coat of sauce heavy because when this caramelize on the chicken, or when this caramelize on the chicken, it's going to be nice, nice and rich. So, guys, we will check in a couple of minutes, about 15-20 minutes when we're turning them on the other side, and then 15 and 20 minutes from that, we can have some food to eat. The macaroni should be finished, your rice should be finished, and we can begin our evening. Check, guys. Unfortunately, night come down and catch us, and we did not get to have our pool party. However, we will be having a dinner party with all this delicious food. So, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I sure enjoyed doing it with Lisa. So, until next time, guys, take care of yourself, stay positive, go for your dreams and your goals. So, if you like the video,
Like the video.